Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to record in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not, go ahead and download it from the App Store, and after that open it up and you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of GarageBand, where we can get started with choosing what we want to record. So in the upper left corner we have our live loops section, where we can select a loop that we want to use for our music, or we can go into the tracks and start adding our own music. So as you can see, we can access a digital instrument we want to play, like drums, keyboard, and so on, or we can even go ahead and record ourselves playing an instrument. So we have the audio recorder option right here that is going to enable us to record ourselves singing, playing an instrument, whatever we need to create our track. So let's go ahead and open up audio recorder. It's going to open up this new page right here where we can get started with recording ourselves. So guys, basically to get started with recording, all you have to do is click the big red circle right here at the top of the screen. At the top of the screen you can click the circle that's going to go ahead and start recording yourself and playing the beat that you have put into your track. So as you can see, we have multiple effects right here that we can use. We can change the size, tone, everything of our voice effects. And in the upper left corner, we have the sliders option. So click the button right here. This is the sliders button where we can go ahead and access our track settings. And as you can see, when you scroll down, you can find your plugins and equalizer. You can go ahead and manage your bass. You have your master effects to manage your echo, reverb, and so on. Basically, get your track to sound it the way you want it. And after you're finished, guys, you can go into the button next to the sliders where we can get started with adding new instruments. So you can see you can play the piano and so on and add your instrumental to get your desired track. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.